In this lesson, we're going to have a little bit of fun and edit the profile of the front of this wall and kind of put a little bit of a profile on the front. So let's go to the south elevation, pan over here. I'm going to go up. So let's pull these grid lines up by clicking on here and click out. I'm going to pick on this wall and I'm going to say edit profile, okay, which means I can change the shape of that. So I'm going to draw an arc. So I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to draw an arc. Now I think I need some reference planes before I draw my arc. Let's go to architecture. Let's draw a reference plane like this. Nice and straight. Then I'm going to take that reference plane. I'm going to mirror it about this point. So I have two kind of intersections that are symmetrical. Now I'm going to draw my arc, and I'm going to use this standard arc start end radius. Click on there, and then, put something in there. If I want to round off that radius, 18 meters, click out. Okay, now I'm going to do a split here, and do a trim this guy, trim this guy. Now maybe I'm going to put another little profile over here. Let's do this. Draw a line up over here, down here. Do another split this top line, and then trim up my edges. Okay, now I'm going to grab this guy and delete it. I'm going to do a window box and grab these three lines and mirror about here. Click out. Now that has to be a closed polygon. Once again, I'm going to hit finish. If my edges weren't all closed, then it would tell me. So let's go to a 3D view. And there's the front of our building. And not too bad. So you can do that. You can draw anything inside. If you create, when you go in here, you can go back and say edit profile. And if you draw, let's just say draw a rectangle in the middle of here and then hit finish. Okay, what it's going to do is it's going to cut a hole in there. From there, you can see you have these nice grips where you can actually stretch things around. It's not liking that. Go back in here. If you say reset, it just basically resets it. I'm going to undo that. And I'm going to get rid of that rectangle. So I'm going to click on here and say edit profile. Hover over here, tab to select all of these, click. Hover, tab, click. And then hit delete. That's it. Back here, click out. Okay, so a little bit of a profile. So you can do that anytime. Let's just save our file. Oops, not save as template. If we did want to save it as a template, we could. Save as project. Working our way up. 18. Save.